Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Today I'm gonna paint the 135th M2 Bradley. After primer, I use Gaia 201 dark yellow for the main color. After that I add 20% white to the dark yellow to create highlight. I paint the area where I think I will be light the most. This will break the monotone color to create contrast to the model, which make the model look more interesting. Same method apply to the turret as well. Here is the result. Now I highlight rises details. This model rises details mostly rivets. I mean lots of rivets. And here is the model with everything highlighted. Now I'm apply a filter to uniform the highlight and base color. I'm using MIG ochre for light sand. Remember, before doing any weathering, you must apply 2 to 3 clear coats to protect the paint. I apply the filter on the whole model and clean it with enamel thinner. Then I'm using TAMIYA panel line to create some depth to the model. And I clean with enamel thinner too. You can use brush and cotton bud like I did. Now for details painting, I'm using various color to paint the tools. For the light, I paint the first layer in silver paint and I paint another layer of clear paint over it. Now I use MIG light sand effect. I don't use brush to apply it, but I pour into my airbrush and apply thin layer. And I use a flat brush moist with enamel thinner to blend the effect. You can do this 2 or more times until you achieve the desired effect. And the model is now done. Thank you for watching, everyone. Please like and subscribe to my channel for more video in the future.